Okay, what's up guys? My name is Rolf Sandvig Gainer. I'm from Denmark and is sponsored by Chrome Kenama, Acromi. This is Shotgun Interview with your host MJ, your boy Rolf. We out here in a car. I got a little bit of duality going on there. I want a light Ken and a heavy Tama. A lot of people are really caring about weight match Kendamas these days, and I do like, if I find one first and I weigh it up and it's like, wow, that's 70 to 73, whatever, I'm gonna be like, whoa, that's cool. But I'm probably more comfortable with a 10 grams heavy Tama. So big Kendamas, oversized Kendamas, like still KWC Slay Dogs, light because that's funny. Normal size Kendama is heavy because that's funny. So I want to go the opposite of what they usually go. Oh damn, so many. We got some pickles, onions. I want to really like stress onion. Every version of onions that you can get, except for garlic. Get off me. Cabbage, like generally vegetables. I'm a fat guy, you know. It's like I'm all about that meat and cheese. A zookeeper. Used to be spiders, but I've gotten over that. So I was living with my girlfriend and her parents, and everyone in that family is afraid of spiders. So I got woken up sometimes at like 4 a.m. and they were like, "Hey Rolf, there's a spider in my room, please go get it." And like we were doing gardening stuff, and I said, "Oh, there's a huge spider in this playhouse, please go get it, Rolf." It's like I had to get over that to actually be like, "Oh, the man," you know? So it used to be spiders. I did see some, like, my answer's gonna be this orange ass spider I saw recently on Facebook, where like you got a cricket like crawling through a cage, and the spider is just like, you got some dirt shit, and it just comes out like, whoopah! I'm like, damn, bro, that's what's up. Ugh. Oh, standard, no doubt about it. That nylon steez, the string's like, I'd rather die, honestly. Oh, I'm about that paint for sure. I've been repping Chrome for several years now, before I got sponsored, because I was working in the Chrome shop in Copenhagen. We had the deluxe line, which was all natties, mainly natties. The dang one was natties. But Chrome mainly deals with paint. They had that super prime rubber paint, now we got that lull clear and that rubber paint. So I've always just been setting paint, so I assume it's like a question of what you're used to. So I'm gonna have to go with paint, but it is super satisfying just doing even like an inward lunar flip stuff like on a natty, but paint for sure. Oh damn, have you not seen my tongue, bro? It's on some shit. Like, just go to my goddamn Instagram, go to every single edit ever, and it's like, and it's just on some juggling shit. Damn, yeah. My mouth is wide open, and my tongue is just going goddamn ballistic. Like, I don't even know how to describe that. Oh, people are commenting like the tongue emoji on my Instagram posts. It's ridiculous. No, I'm not. I don't have any allergies. I'm good. I'm a Viking. We do shit. Oh, we usually do grød med fløde, which it means red porridge with cream. But it utilizes the ø in Danish, which is one of the letters that we only have in Danish, and it's really hard to say for foreigners. So we always, like, if we want to make fun of someone, we're like, "Oh, teach me something Danish." We're like, grød med fløde, because no one can actually say that. So like that's gotta be the answer, I guess. Like, grød med fløde, red porridge with cream. Yeah, that's what's up. It's good. Like my grandmother used to make it. It's some shit.